That brings us to our hashtag this week. Death of a student, is Mamta losing support? Let's go straight to our guests. We have Aparna Sen joining us from Kolkata. Also from Kolkata, Amol Mukhopadhyay. He's the former principal of Presidency College. Here in Delhi studio, we have Prosenjit Bose, left activist. We'll also be joined by Jayanto Ghoshal, who's the editor Delhi of ABP and someone who knows Mamta Banerjee very closely. Aparna Sen, if I can start with you. What do you make of the way the Chief Minister has handled the entire episode of Sudipto's death?
Well, before I join this discussion,
sir, I
should like to extend my heartfelt sympathy and condolence.
Sir, actually that question was for Aparna Sen.
Can I go on, please?
That question was for Aparna Sen. Aparna Sen, can you hear me?
Oh, I see. All right.
Okay, we'll try and fix that. Mr. Amol Mukhopadhyay, if I can, as a former principal,
yes.
I read your interview this morning in Times of India, where you say that it's not just, you blame both political parties for the way this has been handled.
Well, the first thing is that, the whole episode is not a very small or a petty matter. I regret to say that Chief Minister has said this, has made this comment whenever she was in Bangalore. Now, it is very unfortunate indeed, as I was saying, that I should like to extend my heartfelt sympathy and condolence to Sudipto's father and also the members of his family. The first thing is, the whole thing seems to be absolutely mystery. We don't have the fullest report of autopsy, number one. The question is, how did he die? Was he hanging out of the police bus? If he was, then why he was hanging out? Is it because that he was trying to give some slogan and that's why he on his own chose to hang out of the bus? If that is so, why did the police did not force him to get inside the bus? That's the first question. Secondly, it could be that the bus was overcrowded with those who were arrested at that time. Now the question is, in such a case, what usually happens whenever a group of people try to break the law? What usually happens is that Kolkata police, it takes several private buses along with its own police bus so that it could properly accommodate those who are arrested at the spot. What exactly happened here? We don't have a clear answer. Nobody can give us a clear answer. It is the duty on the part of the government to give us a very clear answer, but we don't yet have any clear answer to this question. That's number one. Secondly, his death, this poor boy's death, takes us to a crucial matter related to the whole issue.
Yes.
Which is that students are being used by the political parties to fight with each other. The political parties, as far as West Bengal is concerned, I don't know the entire territory of India, but as far as West Bengal is concerned, I find that although it is democracy and parliamentary democracy, although it is a parliamentary democracy, the contenders for power, they are so bitterly opposed to each other that always they generate hatred among its cadre and others.